Hey, it's Clay, and this will be the video chart on ticker symbol QQQ. The Qs, we'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to say it the obvious, but to establish context, a very impressive movement on this one, especially from the vantage point of at one point the price having been all the way down there, but then the price was able to fight all the way back up there to get the close. Now, yeah, there's still more work that needs to be done, but any rational person would say, yeah, that's been a very nice move. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the 277 mark. Why is that level important? And I'm not saying at all that this was going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to that level, behave in that manner, then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of this area of the chart that it just broke out from. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Whereas on the flip side of things, if the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress. And in this situation, quote unquote progress, again, being defined right there at 277. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, first key level, all about that pink line there in the near term, which is on my chart denoting the very well known, the very famous 200 period moving average, currently valued at, we'll call it 286. And you can see that's basically right where the price got rejected. If the price can push up through there, next key area of resistance would be that purple line, which is the 50 period moving average, currently valued at, we'll just call it 292. But all in all, nice bounce today. Let's see if the price can build upon this momentum next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.